Welcome to your content legal tips for legal awareness. Today's topic will be methods of dispute resolution in court. You should all know that throughout the world, there are only two methods in which the court used to resolve dispute, although it may vary from country to country. The methods are adversarial and INQ, UISITORIAL methods. Let's firstly explain the adversarial methods. Adversarial methods is the methods that gives each party to dispute equal chance to win their case based on the argument, evidence, and any other documents necessary for the party to win his case. In this method, lawyer to each party has the responsibility to win their case, in the sense that the judge will only give judgment based on what the lawyer present to him without making any investigation by himself. It should be noted that, in this method, the judge is not allowed to investigate on the matter at hand like evidence or questioning the witness. The judge's main duty is to examine what the lawyer of each party has submitted and give judgment on it. And countries that practice this method include Nigeria, American, London, and so on. Here are the key factors about adversarial methods of dispute resolution. 1. The responsibility of winning case based mostly on lawyers. 2. Both lawyer to each party has equal chance to win their case. 3. The judge will only give judgment based on what the lawyer has submitted to him. 4. The judge is not allowed to investigate the matter, give judgment based on his personal knowledge. Now, the inquisitorial methods or non-adversarial methods. This method, unlike adversarial methods, allow judge to investigate the matter himself, or appoint an expert to investigate the matter on his behalf, in the sense that the outcome of a case does not depend on the lawyer abilities unlike adversarial methods. In this method, the judge has the power to question the witnesses himself and investigate on the matter at hand. The key points to note in the inquisitorial methods are as follows. 1. The outcome of case does not mainly base on the lawyer abilities. 2. The judge is not considered umpire, in the sense that he can investigate the matter by himself or appoint an expert to investigate the matter on his behalf. And the country that practice this includes France, Germany, and so on. Difference between them are as follows. 1. The outcome of case in adversarial mainly based on the lawyer, but in inquisitorial the outcome of case does not mainly base on the lawyer ability. 2. In adversarial, the judge is not allowed to investigate or descend into the legal arena, but in inquisitorial, the judge can descend into the legal arena. 3. In adversarial, the judge gives judgment based on what the lawyer has submitted to him, but in inquisitorial, the judgment is based on judge's investigation. For better understanding, let's look at this scenario. In bustling Lagos, Fatima Lawal, a hard-working supplier of building materials, seals a contract worth $5 million with civil contractor Musa Danjuma. A firm handshake marks the beginning of what should have been a simple business transaction.
Fatima fulfills her part of the agreement. Cement, steel rods, and gravel are delivered on time. Receipts are signed, and the trucks roll out. But payment never comes. The dispute reaches the High Court of Lagos. The adversarial system kicks in. Each side is armed with a lawyer. Justice Okonkwo presides, listening as arguments unfold from both camps. Barrister Ayo speaks for Fatima. With documents, receipts, and testimony, he paints a clear picture: a contract honored, a payment withheld. Barrister Zainab cross-examines Fatima sharply. She argues that the goods were substandard, that the deal was flawed from the start. Engineer Chinadu, a neutral expert, takes the stand. His report will help the court determine the truth. Judge Okonkwo listens intently. Justice Okonkwo delivers his judgment. With a firm voice and gavel in hand, he finds in favor of Fatima. The contract must be honored. Meanwhile, in a French courtroom, the same dispute unfolds differently. Here, the inquisitorial system gives Judge Leclerc the lead role. She investigates the facts herself. Judge Leclerc questions Musa directly. She asks for proof. Where are the complaints, the delays, the defects he speaks of? Fatima presents her receipts and confirms delivery. Her interpreter whispers quietly as she answers the judge's questions with clarity. In France, his findings remain unchanged. The materials he confirms met industry standards. Behind closed doors, Judge Leclerc pores over files and retorts. With care and diligence, she prepares to deliver justice based not on performance, but on proof. The court reconvenes. Judge Leclerc speaks calmly. The evidence, he says, leave no room for doubt. The plaintiff's case is upheld. 2 countries, 2 systems.
Going by this scenario, we will understand that adversarial methods mainly base on the lawyer's ability to prove his case, and the judge will only give judgment based on what he present as legal document. While in inquisitorial methods, the judge will question the witnesses himself and investigate the matter precisely. This will be the end of today's lecture. You can drop your question at the comments section. Have a nice day.